Sabon Woman, tsaka si Kuya Kim.
Kuya Kim is alive and kicking. May epekto nga lang.
Diyos ko tayo nag-YouTube lang.
That's how upgraded we are.
Wala pa po ang cast. Late sila sa call time ngayon.
Yes, they're late. I'm the director, I'm waiting. Hold on.
Ito na po ang
I'm sorry. I am complete
Yes. Ayun na naman pala yan.
Hindi ka na-break yan. Nagkatula akong klase.
Here we go.
Hi Grace, my best friend. You're watching.
Ala, John, kanta.
Attorney Marge, you're watching. Di ba mo tinex mo?
Oo nga! Marge, kumusta? Michelle and your family?
Grace, love you!
Yes!
Ano to? 10 million sa'yo.
Grabe.
Ano yung isa?
The Sister Juliana, sila Joey.
Attorney, dito ka!
A friendship.
Nikki!
Soul!
Dito ko tabi ni Max. Eto, is Attorney Alex, pag may kaso kayo.
Hello!
Professor Mike and the Kyonggi-do students, hello!
Kim Rewon, hello!
Merry Christmas!
Ipaparcel natin to. ELBC namin. Pure yung watch! I'm sorry.
Ben! Hello! Sino pa?
Too many.
Too many to mention.
Yes!
Yes!
Songko, hello!
Give me your bag.
Hello!
Yeah.
Hello! This is actually the Philippine pronunciation. Okay? Correct yourself. Huh? I believe you have some problem.
My students, please arrest Idahe for insulting
You are
Filipino
thirsty? You need water?
But I was
If you arrive at the airport, I'm gonna give you water.
Actually, send her to North Korea.
Yeah.
Make her the caregiver of Kim Jong-il.
We will boycott your movies and dramas and everything and never pair up with my Kim Rewon. Huh? Never.
What's the name of the actress again?
Tebak.
What's the name of the actress again?
Tebak.
I
Idahe.
hate you! Huh?
Idahe.
I'm gonna give you a sturdy finger.
The one who mocked our pronunciation.
No, it's not. Only porn will be censored.
Idahe, you deserve it.
Wait, the hot seat is empty.
Oh my God.
You're nothing.
But a second rate.
Trying
Trying
hard.
Korean cat. Cosmic cat.
You are a trying
Doraemon,
hard
is that
South
you?
Korean. You're North
There's
Korean.
so many good Korean students and friends, but your insult, it was a bad move, girl. Bad move.
Don't ever make fun of us Filipinos.
Yes.
That's from nowhere. That's a threat. Aray ko, tumansik na
Someone's
aray ko.
talking.
That's a threat because you didn't see her face.
Hi, Pinoy! You're in Japan, Pinoy!
Please go to Hokkaido. Say hello to Sato.
Yeah. Yosuke, Kazu.
Winston is here.
And to your
He was
wife.
yesterday. I don't know now.
Oh, tell our Korean students about Bill Clinton.
Oh yeah, Bill Clinton came here.
Actress.
Bill Clinton came here despite the bomb threats and everything.
Also, Niata, also Miss White.
Hi. What?
No, not
Hillary.
Hillary, no. I think he's in. Shit, may
Students and friends. Hello. Do your best. It's just another day here in the faculty fact room. Yes.
No, not that song.
Yeah!
Is that a yoga or heavyweight?
Yeah!
Marshmallow! We're taking care of Chloe!
Yeah.
That's my back. That's
Sorry.
Down.
Dawon, sarang eh.
Oh my
Yung
God.
dawon, bogo shit ka.
Julie, Alan. Oh my gosh.
Oh, here's
Sino
my
pa?
na. Okay, thank you.
Ethan!
I hate the actress who tried to imitate the Filipinos.
Why you just said that? You're late. You were late. You were
couple yun.
It's never too late.
Ayan, family picture na.
Ethan, I have a question. Why is
I eat pig.
why is your brother taller than you?
Ethan, why is your brother?
Much taller.
No, hindi nakabuka. Why doesn't your brother resemble you? You even look more like Matthew.
Dapat
Yeah,
ano,
Matthew!
pagtapat natin tayo, yung labit natin.
Oh yeah.
Siyempre, is lahat.
Unfair na.
Nabangga. Ouch! Sabi niya, don't ouch me.
Oh my God.
No, don't ouch me.
Ouch!
Benny Message.
Hey, ayan, message na.
Hey, bitch, don't you hate me?
Leave me alone. I am thirsty. Give me water. I am
And
thirsty.
it's not even
Give me
British
water.
pronunciation. I hate you. I so despise you. I hate you.
나는 thirsty. 입니다. 물 주세요. 안녕. Wait.